Thanai sal kolokma ramwi roman script no tuye sanmung tisakha TSF ni sipai rok Swrang salo aba haikeno haino hai roman script no sanlaiwi Tripura Madhya-shiksha porisad ni secretary ni thani deputation rikha Tipra student Fedaration kok borok simao bangla te roman script bono suinani bagai sanlaika borok TSF ni sipai rok saka Thanai 2022 biswa TSF ni bakakte TBSC SCRT kok borok te minority no khobui language department ni tangphangni thani suimung bolai tisakha phiaba tabuk phana mungsaba yapri na harjake tangbetini bakakte abni bage TSF ni sipai rok borok ni sanmung na tuye Swrang salo Tripura Madhya-shiksha porisad ni secretary ni thani deputation rikha.
We have submitted a memorandum in 2022 to the Tipra board, to the director of SCRT, to the director of Kok Borok and other minority languages. You see, despite of not having any policy on script, the government are illegally doing something against the indigenous people, which is they're printing the textbook in only one particular script. They're printing the question paper in only one particular script, which is illegal. There is no any government notification order. And how can they only print in one particular script, which is not a demand of the people? So there is why we are going to follow up with the Tipra board today. We have submitted a memorandum to print in both Bengali and Roman script, whether they has done or not, since Tipra board exam is coming very soon. And so far, Kok Borok textbook has not been printed in both the script. इसलिए हम लोग आज follow up करेंगे Directorate of Kok Borok and other minority languages, SCRT, and then Tipra board.
Bio report, Kok Khorang.